Insia. Commander 6. Kano Senior.
Have you catch us? You can send cemetery. Yemma no kre enhinta emma atro kontompo muslimuka eni hine wo yemma mu. Da bia be koso de obuo ni die akasa kire mpani. Ye de ahorase be adwuma. Ba yemfa ehun so ma memene kasai. Ya ne o se ye kan se be twentwen na ase. Amna se ansa na kire nyina be kasai a se ehun yanka. Anodo ni ba bia medin de akwasi ensia. Asem Yi Di Ka bre ena edu say happy birthday and confirm divine asigri. Class 1 of University Basic School. Yeah, Cape Coast. We through Mame Sarah Afo, Central Regional Director of Youth Employment Agency, and Afro Papa DSP Simon Asigri. Yeah, also Central Regional Police Clinic. Here you see a show. Happy birthday. Divine. Nyame enshraw. Na omanyini emawiase ente wo so ede. Enu amnim sasa wate ne esiye e Supreme Court. Court in the atemo abase asem ne enhye a Food and Drugs Authority pen for the buy say yempre ema celebrities endorse alcoholic beverages wo yemem no. Supreme Court atemo afodo do na ase omo efo. So I think it was a 5-2 decision by the Apex Court. It settles it. I mean, had my Friday na full ruling member out. You make kopem ni akwa kenkan. Esu se obia enwu se obia eka no ede efa. Ebi hu ni sei, ebi su hu ni sei. Ebi hu se be nkum, ebi se nifa. Se obia hu ni bia no eye. But you see, to me, the abuse of alcohol, the abuse of drugs, our Ghana mabunumuno, it goes beyond celebrities endorsing alcoholic beverages. I'll permit show video bi na reho abemua wa hwehwe continuous 3 days ya wonaye wa hwehwe wa nonnom 3 days ya wonaye asefim papa. So it tells us say oman no ye more than ye nyinai. Ba quick share video yi na tie mu nsem no abamu wa hwehwe continuous 3 days ena de na e bi creative for so share video yi e ba say
hey lege okay and why find 3 days or night on TV na hey right Charlie no police over there Johnny what I saw I said out. Oh, do I use up at 20 wrong? Huh? Do I use up at 20 wrong? 3 days, that's one night. Rock nema onda. Eti rock nkwa na obo. I not ness or no more person over da o. Now say so pe 20 syllable rocky. Wa. Life. That's when you don't show me. We are on a feel Mr. President. Mr. President. But you see, why I find 3 days on nada? Can I also why I find 3 days?
One shot really say Abeka say movie na wo hwe. O hwe say how be say a movie and na wo hwe. You see oba ko biem say e no rock. And you won't know, wonna. Chale. I'll is it na make say enhye na FDA dey e buy no eye. But you see Yamane kokoye say celebrities endorsement emma emaburu nanwe ensa enye nokore. I'm telling you. Because ensa na celebrities na endorse no emaburu ne mpe. Emo club Star Guinness now if you say I Star the club said akwabra ne benu a emra ene waye. Star ne Guinness do say no benu waye ne waye. And you see no more anom yesi ba ko atebuda ene perfo ko tu one na mo wo East Legon ba bi eno sa sort ya gu no say ende yo ya we since a fresh wa we ateche eno ne sana mranta de webo sa Hennessy ne we na celebrities na endorse no e ma bu se benye ska koto Hennessy what dey there a chuma na wose ye no e wo form and a balloon crabber you see balloon I say oxygen happy balloon I say oxygen food kakra na say utwiko mu anu wabu say tam and she shane na mu if indeed yes am pampa say ye pesi etu ahwa na mu a ye ni ba bi ose yekọ ya pesi etu sa di hwa na mu a ye ni ba bi ose yekọ ye jai emabru no sport awudu a ton sa eni kwase eton because I'm telling you say ensana aye boys ne basa no ye mohu dawro enima na enu ne ensana aye boys ne basa ye mohu dawro da be not say a celebrity video be end or say a tramadol but then a boys no nom Rocky e kan wase kwabra ne nom ya wonnai eni bi no monnom celebrity be na endorse sade no the real challenge no is on ground so banning the celebrities no and one aspect of it and in fact to me the minimum kra shots na ton sana yenyin tomu no except say ateche ni a shegu ayi botomu esi ayi sport ni eton kote wuda na hihye ubekọ ne di edido agu ne gu ayi sport ni eton ho no se FDA ni kire miamia wodo ye ton tramadol one ye ton tramadol ne de mo because ye jealousy ya and I see every problem wayen every bra omo ban celebrities for endorsing alcohol e maburu dudu ananum ensa ene na ye ban alcohol maburu dudu nonsa give us that report mummy asa report no e chuma na ka so se ye no enye the celebrities kwa celebrities ni nsa no kwa no bo dawuro no se de bo anya de enye nsa ebo and the boys ni pensa ebo esana ebunu so yesa bebre na FDA enyi ntomu so ne no so ye ho adwuma etimo mrante maba won egu fom niekusa shops ni bebre down sem ko ye East Legon de no kwabra no why say sra pejano ba bi enye ye etinyo bi na eton sa de no se roka se de no enyo bi na eton enye FDA any solution se beto na makwohwe ba bia ye ton sa de ne free. There was a report that they published in 2016. Say as of 2016, no more than half of Ghana's youth are into alcoholism. Into alcoholism. Also, my yen trust near Bissau say, dear Nami and Mabuno to draw no at Tidiura and Sanrium. And then everybody comes to be honest, every year, be a money more. Baby, TV. Only time, only other idea. Obi Kran kind of last time close to TV, one of them. What's so TV can on the phone so? And these adverts be bring on social media. Sa and samba in the trauma don ada be bring on social media. You go make an yes ye mreye. But abrofobia can baby. And say I abrofu krobi na start here. Ye ban celebrities from endorse na call. And yes you nya funding kakra free ontino. Yes you ya no tumu. But the real causes of the NTM Mabuno every and Sunday want to be country. And yet the celebrities endorsement. And yet the celebrities endorsement. And you know. Akwada obese uye nda obese. Ni kan say yesu awofo so fanto ye so. Ni nya sa akwada bia ante sei enye obi a na betimi ase na kwotisi awo ye nda bi. Ye won hihye o mamu say wonum nsa men kaka eye simple. It shouldn't be you so young pedo na so ya kwotisi anti. E bana ne say wonum nsa enkaka. We may shift some responsibility from our phone. And now your papa obey me and force subai no confess at all subai dia. Say this unto you. It's papa ya we. So obey me and show because you are the first point of contact to obey subai. And to obey me and show we soon no buying amfa. No as near Shatawale, near strong boy, near Sakwa ye and abandon fadia. Then papa there's a challenge. Me did ya kwasinsia. Yanko po ya admo china. Ye beto as but enura me ya santima po mayanka we no. Esremo amanfo ete sa mayanka na round si enwuse ni so amo promo so do nti. Until say be see the new one so mpacho mo ya no ma hwe enwuse ni so ye why. Unse fie so bembem mo. Ba bia mo kunam no. Asantima po mayanka. Ba bia mo kunam no. Efie bembem mo. Omo sim ni enwuse ni eku omo. No amperfo be frefre me. Sa kwesi na ka chom se nwuse no so ekuye pa tele sem so nwuse so monya ho adwuma e fa bedwafo atase ni pense mu to Asem Yi Di Ka.